In this program on measuring instruments, you will learn about outside micrometers that are designed to measure sizes greater than 25 millimeters. Before continuing with this program, please ensure that you are already able to read micrometer scale readings as described in Part 1 of this program. This program deals with both the fixed and adjustable type of micrometers, which are capable of measuring objects over 25 millimeters. Micrometers known as fixed types are made to read up to 150 millimeters and have fixed anvils. Each step up in the range increases the maximum reading by 25 millimeters. For example, the 25 to 50 micrometer has a minimum reading of 25 millimeters and a maximum of 50 millimeters. Similarly, the 50 to 75 millimeter model has a minimum reading of 50 millimeters and a maximum of 75. The measuring range of any outside micrometer is 25 millimeters. Micrometers must be checked from time to time with the setting gauge that is included in every set. This will ensure accurate readings. Setting gauges are made by the manufacturers to an extremely high degree of accuracy, each gauge being an exact fixed standard. Whenever you check the micrometer with the appropriate gauge, grasp the gauge by the insulated section. Do not hold a setting gauge in your hand, as the heat from your hand will cause it to expand and give inaccurate results. Use only light pressure on the thimble. Make use of the ratchet on models that have this feature. Then lock the spindle lock. Now check the reading. The 0 mark on the thimble should be exactly on the first figure of the datum line. Any deviance from exactly 0 should be noted and the micrometer recalibrated by an experienced person. It is suggested that you now familiarize yourself with fixed micrometers over 25 millimeters by studying those in your environment.